how to cash out on Raket.ph. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So we're going to show you how you will be able to cash out. So unfortunately for my account, I have yet to verify it and I have yet to complete it. So I will show you this article over here that has a very good visual guide either way. So over here, it will show you how to withdraw funds. So first things first, you're going to select your profile over here on the top right and click on your Racketeer dashboard. So if you click here, you should be able to view Racketeer dashboard over here. And over here, you should have My Wallet. So if you click on My Wallet over here, you should be able to see all kinds of money that you have, how much you've earned, and so on and so forth. And you will be able to see here that there is a withdrawal option, which will look like this when you have actual money inside of it, as you can see. So for me, I have no money or I have nothing yet in my wallet, so I can't withdraw yet. There's a minimum of 100 peso, and this is what it would look like after that. So you could send it to your e-wallet or you could send it directly to your bank. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.